thanks. And with those 90+ degree days in front of us, health officials are reminding everybody to practice heat safety, just like Mark said. News Channel 11's Brody Wilson spoke with experts at ETSU for advice on how to beat the heat.
Students here at ETSU and people all across the region will need to be careful as we reach 90-degree weather for the first time this year.
We're seeing more and more heat-related deaths in our country. The number has doubled in the last 25 years. So this is something to really take seriously.
Dr. Randy Wyckoff is the Dean of the College of Public Health at ETSU. He told me the elderly, children, and those that have to work outside are at the greatest risk of heat cramps, heat exhaustion, or heat stroke. He also explained that the symptoms can be hard to tell until it's too late.
One of the challenges is there's no clear line between heat cramps, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. And if you do get to that point where you're really getting a high temperature, stopping sweating, and so on, that is a medical emergency.
According to the medical journal JAMA's latest data, more than 2,000 people died in the U.S. from heat-related illness in 2023. Wyckoff says most of these deaths are avoidable if symptoms are caught early enough, and explained how to recognize them.
Cramps, confusion, excessive sweating, and then heat stroke, which is the most serious one. You can get hot, dry skin, you can stop sweating, you can become confused, and that's a medical emergency, and folks need to go to the emergency room if that happens.
And offered several ways to beat the heat.
If you can, stay indoors with air conditioning. Stay hydrated. Make sure you drink plenty of fluid. If you do have to go outside, wear sunscreen to prevent yourself from getting sunburned. Wear a hat, wear loose-fitting clothing, and just keep close tabs on your symptoms and those around you.
Wyckoff also mentioned that anyone with chronic or pre-existing medical conditions are at an elevated risk and should take extra precautions as well. In Johnson City, Brody Wilson, News Channel 11.
More tips on how to stay safe in the hot weather can be found on our website, WJHL.com.